Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am sitting outside of my job getting ready to walk in. It's Friday. I am running on like 2 or 3 hours of sleep. Yesterday I got a letter from the school nurse that my son Nicholas, he uses a rescue inhaler because he is asthmatic. And I swear, it seems like every one of my kids have something going on. Like, except my two older ones. They don't have anything going on, like nothing medically. So it's like Jocelyn, which is the third oldest, has Graves' disease and is in remission. Lizzy, which is the baby, has a congenital cataract. And Nicholas has enlarged tonsils. We were hoping that he would grow into them, but I don't think that's gonna happen. So most likely we're gonna be doing surgery pretty soon. And plus he's asthmatic. So I got a letter saying that his inhaler is expired and I need a new one. So I'm like, so anyways, before I go in, I figured let me do a really quick talk and chat before I go into work and get my work day started. I am preparing, which I actually started preparing, but I already have my meal plan for next week, what I plan on doing right here. So I'm gonna do my $50 a week challenge on Sunday. So I'm gonna get all the ingredients that I need for all of these meals. The other thing that I'm starting to prepare for, because I really want to be more committed, is to paying down the debts that we have. I was inspired by a fellow YouTuber and one of my friends. Her name is Candace. She goes by Cool Blue on her channel. I'll link her channel down in the description box. But she inspired me because she paid off like over $14,000 in credit card debt doing this as a single mom. She lost her husband a few years ago, so she's been doing this by herself, one income. So I'm like, you know what, if Candace can do this, I don't see why I cannot do it. Especially that I have my husband, he works, I work, so you guys are interested in watching a budget with me, and I'm thinking about doing the same method as her, which is the cash envelope. I already started my writing out the bills for March, so I'm gonna go ahead and prepare for that. But if you guys are interested, comment down below. I will definitely upload a video and show you guys real numbers as far as like our bills and things like that. But anyways, let me go ahead and go inside and get this Friday over with. Alright, so I am done with the work day. Not gonna lie, I am so tired. So what I did was I ended up picking up McDonald's. And that's gonna be for dinner. Just keeping it real with you guys. Sorry, this traffic is like really slow right now. Just keeping it real with you guys. I'm just running on fumes. And then I forgot that I have to pick up Jocelyn and Sophia after school practice. So yeah, I think I have like an hour left before I have to pick them up. I'm so tired and I'm still not done. I'm thinking about just picking up Nicholas's inhaler tomorrow, because I'm not gonna lie, I'm just so freaking tired. Man, that stuff is so expensive. His inhaler is like $51, but it's not the generic albuterol. It's like a newer kind of inhaler. So sucker is expensive. So almost home. I'm just ready to crawl into bed and go to sleep. But yeah, let me park this car. Okay, so I just scarfed down some food. I changed, and I'm gonna go and pick up the girls from practice. And I think I'm just gonna go ahead and do the inhaler tomorrow because honestly, I am so tired. And then, real quick before I head out, I wanted to kind of give you guys an update on Elizabeth's surgery. So the surgical coordinator called me, and this is one thing where I think everybody should be proactive and know your benefits for insurance and see what's covered and what's not, and just be as educated as you can, because when I talked to the surgical coordinator, she said that she gave me the two codes and the diagnosis code for Elizabeth's surgery, which is what they're going to be doing is an extraocular muscle procedure. So that's basically what he's going to do. And the way he explained it was that he was either going to, depending on how the muscle looks when he goes in and looks at her eye muscle, he is, if the muscle is contracting, then he's going to go ahead and loosen it up. If it's loose, then he's going to go ahead and tighten it up. So that is what the codes that they're going to use. So she gave me the codes, and then she was telling me for the anesthesia, it's going to be about 45 minutes to an hour, and it just depends on what facility is in network with my insurance. So they are going to go ahead and try to do Memorial Hermann. The only thing, my problem with this is that right now there is a contract negotiation between Memorial Hermann and Cigna. That is the insurance that we use and that we have right now. Now, if they don't reach an agreement effective May the 1st, they are no longer going to do, they're going to be considered out of network. Now, I don't have any out of network benefits, so we have to keep everything in network. So as the coordinator was telling me, she said that he does surgeries at Memorial Hermann, Renaissance Physician, which I've heard of them, but not really paid attention to them, St. Luke's, which is another hospital, and then Texas Children. So just depending on what is in network, they're going to go ahead and coordinate. Hopefully in May they want to do the surgery, but I want to push it to the end of May or beginning of June, only because that is going to be during the time that she will be off from school and it will be summer. So I want her to rest, because he said that she cannot do any PE or any kind of physical activities for at least a week. So, and she was going to be out of school for like 3 days, at least 3 days. So I'd rather just push it to the summer. So when she was telling me this, we're looking at maybe May the 18th, but like I said, we're going to see about pushing it to the summer so that way she can recover at home without any issues or without missing any school. So she told me that his fees for the two codes that she gave me was $626.63, $705.85. So she said that we had a $200 deductible, and then once we meet that, it's 20%. So altogether, she quoted me at $426. So I was like, okay, and that's not including facility fees. So I was like, all right, well, let me confirm this with Cigna. And I called and I talked to a representative with Cigna. I explained the situation. I gave her the codes, and when she pulled up our benefits, it's actually covered at 100%. So we do not have to pay anything. The only thing that we will pay would be a $350 copay for the facility. And then she also mentioned something about possibly an extra $200 because we have to hit our deductible. So we'll see about that. Now, if that's the case, I'm either going to be paying $550 or $350, but I shouldn't have to pay the doctor anything, because that is covered at 100% with our benefits. Holiday, you know you are too old to be doing that. Get him off. He acts like he is 2 years old, but he's not. Boy, get off. Get off. Holiday, get off. he's gonna fall and break his hip. I swear he's gonna do that. So when I talked to the insurance, and I told her, I said, well, they were telling me that the doctor's fee was going to be about $426, and that's not including the facility. Now, had I just went along with this, I would have been paying like about $7 to $1,000 out of pocket. So that's why I always say it's good to be proactive and good to try to get to know your benefits. So when I was talking to the insurance, I told them that I would prefer if we could coordinate our surgery, and if she can coordinate with the office, if we can just set it up with Texas Children, only because I do not want a chance with this contract negotiation. I don't want to set the surgery and then they don't come to an agreement and they become out of network. So rather to then avoid this, I know for sure Texas Children is in network, and I'm pretty sure that they're not going to be dissolving their contract at rates that they agreed upon. So we're going to go ahead and do that. When I go to the pre-op, we're going to talk about trying to make sure it's going to be with Texas Children, because I will feel more comfortable doing that. So here is another lesson on learning about your insurance and learning about your benefits. So like I said, instead of paying almost $1,000, I am going to be either paying $350 or $550. So it just depends on when the facility calls me and confirms the benefits. So anyways, that is the little spiel and the little schooling on insurance and getting to know your benefits. We are scheduled for April for her pre-op. So I already have her scheduled, and I took the day off. So we're gonna come April, we're gonna go and do our pre-op, and then after that we're gonna discuss and make sure that we can coordinate with Texas Children and have her surgery there. So that way I'm not stressing about whether this hospital is gonna be in network or not. Now, with all of that being said, I gotta go pick up 2 other kids. So let's go ahead and ride on out and pick up the other 2 babies. There goes Jocelyn. She's practicing. That's unarmed. Y'all, I used to do ROTC when I was in high school, and we were armed, so we used rifles. We were the ones that were like spinning and twirling and doing all kinds of stuff with the rifles. So this is so new to me because we didn't have this back when I was in high school. It was just armed female team, drill team, and armed male drill team, and then a color guard. I know I have Jocelyn is in here practicing, and Sophia is over there with the arm. She is one of the high schoolers that comes and actually helps the middle schoolers practice, so that way they can be ready for competition and be as sharp as they can be for, you know, the middle schoolers. So I'm gonna kind of like, so there goes the arm practicing. So I got like maybe 10 more minutes, I think. Yeah, about 10 minutes and they should be done. So yeah, I'm so ready to go home, but you know what, this is worth it. It keeps the kids in check because they have to have good grades for them to compete. So it's like a win-win for me, because my girls are like, no, I gotta go to school, I cannot miss school, I gotta, you know, I gotta pass, I'm trying to compete. So this program is so awesome, and they're starting them out young in middle school. So yeah, this is them practicing, and hopefully they will be done pretty soon. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and end my vlog for today. The kids are almost done. They have like a couple of more minutes. They're gonna pretty much go and wrap it up and put all their equipment up. So I figured this will be a great time to end my vlog for today. I hope you guys have a great one, and I will be back with another video soon. Talk to y'all later. Bye.